Hello, beautiful people. How are you doing today? Hope you all are in best of your health and fantabulous as always, and as I always want you to be. So today in School for Elders, I again have a highly inspiring story of Marina Abramovic. So who this lady is, many of you might be knowing her because of her Rhythm Zero performance. For those who don't know her, she's a Serbian philanthropist artist, right? She's an artist, filmmaker, feminist, and so many things she is, right? And she has won many awards and accolades for her work also, for her artwork, creativity, and everything. So why she is famous for Rhythm Zero? So what is there in the Rhythm Zero experiment? So Marina Abramovic have kept more than 72 or 76 subjects for this particular experiment of Rhythm Zero. So she has tested her limits with certain objects first, and then in Rhythm Zero she wanted to test her body limits with audience, with other people. So there she has invited everyone who was not knowing her, and she has kept certain objects, and she said everyone is free to use these objects, right? Or so people came by, and there were feathers, there were roses also, there were harmful objects also like knives, and there were objects like gun with one bullet. And you know what, when the repeated instructions were that you are not accountable for your actions and you will not be questioned in the court of law. So there were few people who tried to kill her also with the bullet. And many people have, tore her clothes. They have made her completely naked, and they have done so. They have put forks on her body. They have put thorns on her body. They wanted to harm her with something or another. So 6 hours she has handled this torture without moving. She just stood still. That was the body limit testing, yes, my dear friends, and she just stood still. And then once 6 hours got over, she did not move at that time. She did not even look at them. So she just walked in the room with the same way, the way they have treated her or handled her. Many of them just ran away. They couldn't see her. And do you even know why it happened? They just ran away. Just imagine, they couldn't stand to see her when she started walking, and when she started seeing on each and everyone's face, because she remembered who has done what to her. So when everyone is finished off and other people were there, she asked, whatever you did to me, did I do anything to you? Do you even know me? So many of them were not having any answers to this, and you all know why they were not having answers. And she said, it is not me. Whatever you did to me, that's you. You're running away from you, right? You're not able to face yourself. You hate yourself so much that you even want to kill yourself deep inside, right? So that's what, because she was standing, they were not even knowing her, they just did whatever they wanted to do. So she gained so much of fame with her this particular activity, and it's famous till date. And you can go through her profile in Wikipedia and see all the work which she has done, all the artwork, and she's fantabulous in that. However, so today's wellness mantra, I'm sure you must be knowing that it is the relationship with yourself. Yes, she has depicted that people are not having good relationship with themselves. That's why whenever they find anyone to sabotage their self-respect or self-esteem, right, they start doing that. तो अगर आपको कोई बोलता है ना, you cannot do it, वो नहीं कर सकते यार, आप कर सकते हो. So the relationship with yourself should be, I can do it, right? Or I will learn. That is your relationship with yourself. How loving your relationship with yourself, there is another way also to test. No matter what people say, can you say to yourself that I love you? By standing in front of mirror, looking at yourself, admiring yourself, can you say to yourself that I love you, Neha, right? Maybe in the way that why we love someone more than us. We should love ourselves more. वही बात हो गई कि अगर मेरे पास इतना 500 किलो सोना नहीं है, मैं आपको कैसे दूंगी? अगर 5000 किलो है तो 500 आराम से दे दूंगी, right? So that's the thing which we are to follow here also, right? So if we have abundance of love, self-love for ourselves, we can give it to anyone in this world and it will not get reduced, right? It will always keep on flowing in our life forever. So wellness mantra is, you need to improve your relationship with yourself, and you can go through my all the wellness mantras in my previous videos, and you can see that whichever is resonating with you, right? So I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you so much for liking, subscribing and sharing my videos and watching my videos and giving your precious time. So bye bye, see you, take care.